Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wealth Room again, wealthy friends. How are you all doing? We are in red today. So market is in a discount in the bull market. Let's thank all the bears for their sponsorship. Right, Israel? They are right now sponsoring the market by shorting the market. They are going to be the fuel of the next leg up. What do you think, Israel?
Yes, I think after this huge run, we needed some pullback, and we are getting it, and it's a good opportunity to buy right now, DC into some good
Yes,
fundamental
yes.
coins.
Exactly. Again, before we start, our disclaimer is this is not a financial advice stream. We are here for educational purposes only. Nothing here. We are giving investment advice or anything like that. Uh, Always do your own research before doing investment decisions. And let's give a shout out to first one of our followers is a very young generational, from a young generation. Korai Darren Penna, thank you for your support. He keeps viewing our streams. We love you, buddy. Korai, thank you. Okay, so let's go for our sentiment first. How is the sentiment? There's a fear in the market and a discount in the market. As you know, everybody wants a discount. But when it comes to our levels, like there's a discount, we hesitate to, buy. So it's very important in this environment. If it comes to our zones, try to DCA. Of course, leverage is this is what happens. We will talk about it right now. Leverage is always risky, especially in this type of volatile environment. You even like 5x Forex can swipe you out of the market. We need to be careful and respect our capital, or it's going to find a new owner. The money, if you do not respect it, it's going to go for find a new owner. So let's get into it. Uh, we are going to use CoinGlass. You can also go to www.coinglass.com. This is really great and it's free. You can always, before you making any type of buying or even if you are comfortable doing leverage trades, go and go into this site and find really, really good uh, information. And Israel, how do you use this on your trading journey?
So, if in CoinGlass you get all the information like how much percentage of people are shorting and longing, what's the open interest, like if the market is heating up, and if you see right now at the top 24. So in last 24 hours, 48.74% is long and 52 is short. So short ratio is more, and that's the reason the market is like bearish, which is good. So we might have a short squeeze if this
Yes.
keeps increasing.
That's
Yeah,
why I have
that's
a bear head today, Isrul. That's my bear head today, but I'm not a bear. The reason because I'm thankful to the our bear friends. Now they are sponsoring us for the bull market. I'm gonna tell you why shortly. Um, because if there's a short in the market, they are piling up. Oh, let's. This is a scam environment. Crypto is going to go down. This was the local top. This is the top. This is going down. They start $1 million bits like shorting the market. They are basically betting against the market. Once
yes
they keep
the
betting against the market, Then when it comes to the zones with the momentum, they can get swiped up, because also market makers would like to get that liquidity, so they become the fuel of the market going for the next leg up, right,
So
Isra?
yes, we need people to short now. Those late shots will be the fuel to go up.
Yeah, that's why
So I think
thank
that's
you
what they
for
are
your
doing. They are
sponsorship,
just
or
yeah,
fellow bear friends.
yes, they are adding now and helping us, and we will be happy with their sacrifice.
Perfect. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Again, just jokes aside, there will be a time next leg, like the when the bear cycle comes in, we will become bears. We will try to short the market. We will try to be out of the market with of course our spot bags. And when the risk environment is off, we are become bears as well. But right now, being bearish, does not make any sense. Like this train, you cannot get in front of this train. This train is going to wreck you. So be careful. Do not panic. No panic. This is just a healthy correction. Nothing goes straight up in one line. There will be like waves. That's where the elite wave count comes in. Wave 1, 2, correction. Wave 3, 4, correction. And then the last wave, 5, the big wave. And then you'll have A, B, C's. So we will talk about those type of elite wave counts as well. But let's get into other information right now, because the sentiment, let's double check very quick where our BTC is at. And then we're going to come back to Coin Glass. Let's see. Let's see. Perfect. This is our 4-hour chart on Bitcoin. As you see, uh, we talked about yesterday CME gap. When the market opened, we were here, and then it came all the way up, tagged the CME gap, and then came down. Now on the 4-hour, we are above 50 EMA, or trying to claim back above 50 EMA, right on the lower Bollinger Band. Right now, anything can happen. There will be a most likely, since there's not a big move into this Bollinger Band like this. Generally, when it comes like a big move like this, it starts riding it, very bearish momentum. Right now, it's not doing it. It's just like stopped here. Also, deviation back above 50 AMA is most likely. See, that's what we call also momentum. The only bearish thing is here is we are curving down on the money flow. So we can have a little bit of a bearish moment down. Anything can happen. But right now, as we speak, I think next couple hours are going to be crucial. We can deviate back above 50 EMA and keep riding back up. In case we get a little bit more momentum down, like another big red candle like this, then we'll talk about zones. Let's see here, like this, right there. Perfect zone. It's going to be around 92K. Another zone is right here. But liquidity is way low here. So what does market makers like to do? They want to get a closer liquidity above. Since shorts are fueling the market right now, it can be a quick bounce up after maybe also tagging this trend line. Let's do that. Let's get a little bit more of touches here. More touches are the best. Let's get all those touches in. There you go. So boom, boom. So next two levels. So basically, we don't want to get a big candle here again, and otherwise it's going to get the momentum coming down, maybe deviate back low and try to get this liquidity, but that's less likely. Uh, let's check coin glass. Isru, can you tell us about more about this sentiment? What does this tell us?
This tells us that we are bearish. So in crypto, when you're bearish, you buy the red, you sell the green. So now most of the people are fearful. They're selling their spot bags. They are closing their longs or all those sort of things. There's fear in the market, and which is good opportunity to buy, because when everyone is selling, you should be buying, and opposite. When they start buying at the top, you should be starting to sell.
Exactly. Let's say it says very bullish, dark one, right? This is the lowest one. Bullish is this one, the second big one. I think neutral is this here, and bearish this. Very bearish is which one is bigger? Very bearish is
Bearish.
32. Bearish is 23. It's 55% is bearish. So if 55% is bearish, it's opposite. Then we should be bullish, basically. So right now, this is also telling us it may be close for a reversal.
Yeah, also
So
if you check the
try this
funding
thing
rate,
in. Yeah.
yeah, also if you check the funding rate, it's almost green now. Like it's all clear right now.
Perfect. Let's double check on that. And then well, 24-hour volume, long volume is longs, like leverage longs are $41 billion. Leverage shorts are $43.7 billion. So there are more shorts right now than longs. So market makers will try to get shorts money. Maybe we will get a little bit more of the longs, pie to get it since we are low. They will try to get lower and try to get the max pain in. But during a bull cycle, bull market, if shorts get piles up, then leg up is coming in. That means, and this is the short of a long and short ratio. As we speak, shorts are bigger than the longs. And if you check the BTC again, 52% is short, 47% is long, long to short ratio again. Binance Exchange, 53.20, 46. So, oh, this is even bigger on Binance. And Binance loves to take opposite sides. They are known with their, taking big wicks ups and downs when there's a big. Still, look, it's growing. Shorts are even getting bigger as we speak. OKX, the third, I think, second big exchange on the short end, like the leverage, 54, even bigger. So BitMEX, wow. Israel, look at this, 61% short on BitMEX. Look, wow.
Yes.
Guess what's going to happen?
Yeah, but the main we watch is the CME and the Binance,
Yeah,
where the
yeah,
most volume is. Yeah,
yeah.
Bitfinex, I think Bitunix and Bitfinex are where the whales are sitting.
Let's check the queen. Eat longs. 47, 52, 45, 54 shorts. So
Balanced
shorts are
almost.
piling up. That's also another sign.
Yeah,
As for
we need more shots here.
yeah, let's say Sol was really down. Let's check Solana. Solana even getting more shorts as we speak. 58% on wow. Almost 60%. Bybit 54%. These are big. Oh, Kraken is big. Coinbase 51%. These are big exchanges. All right. So let's have a look at again as is funding rate, as Israel was telling us, funding rate. Shall we
If
look
you
at the
can,
heat map?
I,
Heat map?
yes,
Yeah.
looks nice. Getting
How do
cleaned
you
up.
read this, Israel?
So if you see green, that means leverage. They have
Less leverage.
liquidated people, and if you see yellow, that means it's still hit. It's still like highly leveraged, and you can see by coins. Like if you see, I think Pepe is still, XRP is still yellow. People are still hold like taking a
Uh,
lot of
yeah.
longs and shorts.
So these were, yeah, like 5th of December, like
Yeah,
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Look, the everything was in heated up. But today, look at almost nothing,
all
right?
cleared. Yes,
See, it's
all
clear
clear.
just like this. They did the same thing. Remember when was that? Let me check. The big wick. Let's see. 6th of December, was it? Yeah. 5 December 5th. Okay. December 5th. See? On the 5th of December, this was the like everything was all leveraged long. And that's what they did. Look. Boom, they took all the leverage longs, liquidated. You have a message. Your account has been liquidated. That generally does this type of messages. You see, on this day. And the next day was all okay, green. Then people started getting in longs again. They didn't get their lesson. 8, 10%, 100x, 50x longs. What happened today on or Sunday night? Boom! It got liquidated again. And they keep taking longs and shorts. Let's see here. Yeah, it is losing level. Maybe they will get this liquidity as well here. So this is curving up. We'll see what's going to happen. It's in 1 hour, we will have another close of 4-hour candle. If we close lower than this, I think we can have a little bit of one more day of pain. So these are good opportunities to dollar cost average. What else should we have a look at, Israel? Funding rate.
Yes, we can. Today we are focusing on all this because there is no trade to be taken. So
Yeah,
we we are not giving any like trade ideas or
yeah.
anything.
It's very
So
important to be able to look and read these.
yes,
As you see, these are 100x leverages. Look what happened. There's none left. 25x leverages. Cumulative long liquidation leverage. Advance. Let's have a look at the heat map. Perfect. As you see, most of the liquidation levels, like the yellow one, is a big liquidation level. So most likely they will just tag it since we are so close. And it's at $97.300. And they will take this and then go back and take these. We have all these now open, the yellow ones. So let's go get this one first.
we
97,300. Where are we at night right now?
400.
Yeah. So probably we're gonna try to tag this area like this trend line maybe and then one or $200 more of a move downside, and it's going to be taking care of this leverage. The yellow one, as you see, all this the biggest liquidation. So the rest are lower liquidation levels. So you can sweep this and then go back to these levels. Let's have a look at. We checked
Yeah,
the
and
long short
I
liquidation.
feel I feel this is a good opportunity to get into your position before the Santa rally.
Yes, yes, we will. Because when you we always try to check data and statistics. Statistically, after big elections, and like Trump, because Trump is also pro crypto market, pro Bitcoin, with Elon Musk and his vice president and all the others, Kennedy as well. He's a pro Bitcoin maxi actually. So with all these things, uh, s- uh, during the holiday season, we have seen after the elections, we've seen a Santa rally within the risk on assets, and plus now we have Mr. Trump and his crew being pro crypto market. It's going to even fuel this up. So this is a good opportunity to take the long open interest or long liquidity. So they are taking care of this first before sending it up. So for spot bags, perfect. You can DCA in right now. All the good projects. What are they? SUI. Some of those SUI underneath SUI protocol we talked about yesterday. Go previous video, check those out. Also near AI. What else? Like some meme coins are even not down today, right, Israel?
Yeah, Pepe and
Turbo.
Pepe's Turbo, Pepe, ETH ecosystem basically are just like they don't care what BTC is doing.
They are going
Yeah,
bananas.
yeah, the
Like
bananas
even
on.
banana can go now. There's a banana coin. That's also.
Yeah.
So yeah, like as we say, that means that the sentiment right now is bearish, but fundamentally it's still we have good opportunities out there.
Yes.
Check previous video. We will go a little bit over those at the end of the video, but let's focus on good information here. On these type of days, what you should look. Why is the market acting like this? Because there is some fuel. The fuel is important, you know, where there's fuel or oil, some big guys go for those fuel, you know. In the history, we know like who goes after the oil or fuel.
Yeah,
So
today
same thing, big whales, they
Yeah,
go for the fuel.
today
Yeah,
BlackRock sold 182K thousand bitcoins.
yeah. But who bought?
MicroStrategy, he
Yeah,
keeps buying.
he bought billions of dollars of again.
So they
those-
exchanged the bitcoins.
Yes, yes. He still he bought like again. I think yesterday or today. We'll check the news, but yeah. So yeah, there's this is bull market, guys. Don't get wrecked betting against the market or try to get some exposure on these type of discount days. So I know it's hard. It's hard to train yourself buying these type of weekdays, but you have to train yourself. Don't worry. When it comes to your zones, pull the trigger, DCA in. Don't worry. Look at your zones. If you lose that zone, you can always sell and buy lower. But DCAing, maybe add more, add more. So, yep, there's still good opportunities. Let's check again. We check liquidation level, open interest.
Yeah, open interest is very important because that's when uh, the flushes comes like if open interest is really high, then that's when we get all these pullbacks. What are the big boys doing? CME. So people who don't know what CME is, CME is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which is the basically the Wall Street. So they always have the highest open interest. Wow, 19.04, 31% of the entire market.
Yeah, Binance has negative. They're all negative open interest though, right now.
Yes. What time frame is this? How many? Okay, yeah, yeah. In 1 hour, okay, 4 hours. Yeah, that means now shorts now shorters will pay the longs.
Yes, that means open interest also and funding rate. We will double check on the funding rate. Basically, if you are long, market makers will give you money.
Yes,
That
so
means that, yeah,
if it's positive, the longs will pay the shorts.
yes,
So
because
this is exchange between the longs and shorts. The
yeah,
market makers don't give the money. This is between us. Like now I'm long, so I am getting paid to hold my longs.
yes. If
And if
you're long,
shorts,
they pay
yeah,
you to keep your long open. So
yes,
now shorts are paying to longs. That
yes,
means like there are less longs in the market, more shorts in the market. Guess what
exactly.
happens there if there are more shorts in the market? And if you're in a bull market, these
We
shorts
get
are
some
going to get wrecked in a couple
squeeze.
days. Yep, they will get squeezed. Squeaky, squeaky.
They'll
Uh,
get every juice out, yeah, every
yep,
inch. You see what happened that day? Just
bears
like
are going to make interesting noises.
we might have a God candle to like 106K,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that. Just
yeah,
like how it came down from 98 to 90,000.
yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. It can do crazy moves.
Yes.
Funding rate, heat map. We check this. We check
Yeah.
the liquidation.
Maybe
We
we
check.
can check the BTC and ETH BTC chart to see where the altcoins what ETH is doing,
Hmm,
because I
sure.
think ETH BTC, yeah, balance. It's open interest. Okay.
Let's double check. See, ETH BTC chart. Ethereum uh, went down and get a support here. So most likely, see this liquidity, we are going to go for this. So we did a nice correction back to 50 EMA, Ethereum against Bitcoin. So most likely, this is the daily, we take the ATMA and we're going to come back up and take all this liquidity. We'll probably go back into that channel.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, we can do a W formation again. I mean, a head and shoulders formation. See, and we'll come back, test this line, get this liquidity, and get back above. So this may be another option here we can
Yeah.
have. Solana, Ethereum. Solana keep losing against Ethereum. Solana is getting really, really, smashed right now to the downside. As you see, we are just getting a support zone though. This is a main support zone. Also, we are inside the parallel channel in the midline. These all coincide. This we can get a nice bounce here soon, or we'll go get and clear this area. Maybe get a little bit of this liquidity and come back. It will
Yeah. I think if it goes slower, it will be bought back quickly. Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah. Solana is also very bullish, like if you see, because it had its own run for a long time. So it's
yeah.
just calm now for some time.
Caspa is we've been bullish on this. This is a good opportunity here. You can start DCAing in the dollar cost averaging because Caspa is a very positive. We are really positive on this blockchain for this bull cycle. One, if it comes down a little bit lower to the mid Bollinger Band 20 EMA, you can get another batch to your spot bags. And then on the 50 EMA and the lower Bollinger Band, maybe another batch. So this is a good time for an accumulation for these. And also another good one. It's right on the 200 EMA right now. Perfect location. This is also where we are very bullish. We forget about talking this. This is a storage coin, RV. So this is going to also be this is going to outperform most of the other coins, and it's very inexpensive relative to the other coins right now. If you check. See,
Yes,
we did this
I'm
nice.
I'm I'm bullish on this because uh it has been like performing well. I think it was at $44 few
Yeah,
months back, and now it got offered because one of the whale was selling.
yeah.
So that is the
See,
reason it went so down.
on the
But
weekly, perfect walling badge. Can you see Isro? And then
yes,
we just exited, and now it's gonna go parabolic. It's a nice correction, so it's a good opportunity too. These things are gonna go crazy. Like see,
yeah. Did you
it's
know that Arviv stores TikTok data?
really
Yes, they store TikTok's data.
interesting.
Yes.
Wow, this is crazy. It can go all the way to
And the tokenomics is really amazing. All tokens in circulation.
this can do 10x, guys.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. I mean, these things can sound crazy, but these things happened last bull market. And it mimics. Again, history does not repeat. I love this saying, but it rhymes. So it's gonna come back. We'll come back again next even May, March, but the probably banana zone will be around autumn next year, like October, the last part. You'll see what we were, and then we'll come back to these videos, right, Isro?
Yeah.
Perfect. So we were talking about one more thing because again we are going to keep reiterating because wealthy friends, we want you to take advantage of this bull market. Again, we were talking about Sui and we are so bullish. Look, this pullback almost did nothing to Sui. It's still like making wicks. So this is bullish. Look, everything is going down. This thing is forming a inverse hammer, green hammer. Again, please memorize this. Remember always this. 4 hour, daily, weekly, inverse green hammers. Just like this. This one here. Inverse green hammers. These are very bullish. And if there was a big bearish candle, next, this one, inverse green hammer. Next one, a big, like a green Maribozu type of bullish candle outside bar. What happens? Morning star type of thing. And it's on a support. This 50 EMA is a good support. Most of the altcoins love this 50 EMA. Guess what's going to happen? Look at this. VWAP is forming up. The momentum coming up. The only bearish thing about this, the very important thing, is this money flow coming down, but this can make a fake out and come back up again. So please take advantage of this dump. Try to get into SUI and SUI network. What did we call yesterday? Deep. This thing is going to go parabolic. It's still early. The backbone of SUI liquidity. You know, remember yesterday we talked about the backbone of the SUI's liquidity. So very important. Try to get into that. Also, this one is a nice DEX. Cetus, just like Uniswap of Ethereum. This is fairly new. Sui, underneath Sui ecosystem. This is going to also do 5x, 10x, very early phase. Another really low cap, low cap. Scallop. We have to take advantage of this dip. Yep. And we found another one. We'll do a more research on this. This one does not have, it's only preview only. So guess what? Too early. We are too early right now. This doesn't have even like the pricing and the coin out yet. We will keep an eye on this one. Bluefin underneath ecosystem. Let's check. What does it say? It's blue token. Aggregator, spot, infrastructure, governance. Let's go, Whale Room. Yeah, you're all going to become a whale, hopefully. All right, Israel. Today we had the fundamentals about how we read coin glass. Again, try it. If you have any questions about coin glass and how to read these, please ask us, and we will give you more information on the next one. And please subscribe. Tell your friends that we are here. We are going to keep bringing you alpha, all the news, all the information, education about candlestick patterns, EMAs, right, Israel?
Yes, and this is just the beginning. We have so many things to share, like how you can read data, what's going on in the market, and this helps us prepare if we should take longs, shorts, or buy or sell. Like it's
Yeah.
important. It's not always sentiment. Sometimes we look at data as well. Like we can see, check this data and decide what to do. Like it's red now. You can then start to get into positions when the market flushes and close
Yeah.
your longs or shorts. It's important you understand how things work.
And risk management is very important. Please be
Yes.
careful. Tight stop loss if you do leverage. Check coin glass, heat maps. Do not FOMO in with 20x. Oh, this thing is going to go even higher. No, that's a FOMO. That's bad. Always gets, if you even do small leverages, do it through the support zones, tight stop loss. So your invalidation should be close to your invalidation zone. You have a thesis. What's your thesis? And what is going to invalidate your thesis? So you have to put very tight stop loss to that. Then you can enter again. But spot bags are the best. Again, we are going to bring you more fundamentals, new coins, more community with good meme coins that has really good community. We will all bring this to you. Thank you for watching. Uh, Hopefully, we'll bring you more alpha again tomorrow. We'll see. We are trying to be consistent here to be here every day. And once we get enough views, we will be also online.
Yeah. Thank you, Mehmet, for sharing your analysis.
Thanks, Israel. Have a good
Thank you.
day, everyone, and see you next time. Bye.
Okay. Bye.